couldn't find my gloves. I have to borrow these big old Rossi gloves. This baby has a brand new ST Project exhaust on and it's extremely loud.
Wow.
Your exhaust is stuck?
Mine is quiet.
I think this one's stuck is more quiet than yours. I'm hoping these won't fall off. Alright. Oh! I forgot. It's like it's popping.
I think that pretty loud.
Yeah.
But that thing looks hyper like that. It's like more upright, so it's comfortable. Like this is not comfortable to ride. Like for my style of riding, I'd probably lean more toward that. Comfy, like it's so aggressive, you know?
Yeah, that
My
one.
back hurts riding this.
Really? With the exhaust, it's fucking fast.
Looks really torquey, man.
Yeah, it's like a huge difference from like the stock. It's like, woo woo.
I think Redline's only at 11,000 RPM there.
That's what I heard. Yeah, yours was 16, right?
Mine is like 16 and a half.
Damn, it feels like a new bike. Volcano T, can we park at the end? We have a motorcycle parking spot right here. Holy shit.
That thing
That was so much fun.
sounds like a freaking monster.
Dude, now I'm like, oh, should I get one? Oh.
I think you should.
You think? I was gonna get the Beamer.
I did my research because I was curious, you know?
Yeah. Can you hold this for a sec?
Like, this would be like a great bike for the street. It has 4 different street modes.
Yeah.
And if you want to take it to the track, it has 2 different track modes. And it's so pretty. Like I love my bike and all, you know? But it's just, man.
So now you're reconsidering?
I am, but at the same time, they discontinued these.
I know.
So it's just like, I'm kind of glad I went with this.
My goal is to get the R6 again later on.
Yeah, you sold it?
I did, my friend bought it.
No way.
Yep. So guys, I just got done riding the RS660 with the brand new ST Project exhaust and the bike is freaking beast. It feels like a totally different bike, so much torque. You guys have to try it. I still love the R6, it's still my favorite. Now it's a tough decision between these two. Like with the stock exhaust, definitely I would choose the R6 for sure. But with the aftermarket exhaust, I don't know.
I don't know either.
I don't know. So we got some chicken wings, some boba, potato fries, some more boba. We're actually gonna switch bikes, guys. Look how happy this guy is. Yeah, get it. What do you think?
Very happy. Thank you. God bless you.
Yeah, you're good. Go more to the right. You're good, you're cool.
I mean, Key, you're good looking and all, but this bike, sheesh, I don't know, man.
We are here at Santa Monica Beach and we switched bikes for a little bit. or this one?
It really comes down to riding preference. You really want to beat on the canyons with, obviously I'd go with that. But if you're just, you know, like a street rider like me, this is just awesome. It's comfortable. I'm an idiot. I should have waited.
Yes, I mean, it's hard for me to pick two. Honestly, with the new exhaust, it just feels so much better. And if you guys do plan to get this bike, RS660, I would highly recommend to get the full exhaust, the full system. Well guys, that's it for today. We had a lot of fun. And don't forget to
like, comment, and subscribe.
Yay! Hope you enjoyed the video. Bye!